In this video, I'll show you a easiest pocket option 5-second strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And you may already know that in our YouTube channel, we only present you the walking method, that is exactly walking at the real time by performing lots of tests and bringing you the exact walking strategy. That is our YouTube channel's main motive. So watch this video very carefully to understand this strategy, because this is working at this real time. See, you may use any indicator, any strategy, but nothing is going to work for the 100% of the time. So you need to be able to find out the exact strategy and the exact timing that is working in that real time. Okay, so for that you can test any strategy that is available in our YouTube channel in your demo account, and if it is working at that real time, then only use it in your real account at that real time. So if you also want to copy our trade automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join our free Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and also in the first comment below. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So for this, you need to make all of these currency pair favorite, that is over 90% payout. You just need to make this stars yellow and all of these currency pair will appear at here. Now it will help you to switch between these currency pair easily, so that will be beneficial for you. You don't need to go here and do that. Okay, once you have done that much, then just click on these candles and select this normal candle, and then click on this S5 as your trading candle time frame. So that means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. Now you decide the trade expiration time. That means in this time, if you select S5, then your trade will be expired in 5 seconds. So your candle is also 5 seconds and your trade expiration time is also 5 seconds. Now you decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So for this video, we are going to make $300 per trade. That is a little bit high amount. You don't need to make trades of this amount. You can trade anywhere from $1 to any dollar that you want. Okay, so the strategy, let me explain you the strategy that is extremely simple, but you need to be focused. So like you can see market have made a sudden move. Okay, whenever you see that kind of sudden move, I would also suggest you to make trade in your mobile phone with this strategy, because you can easily click on buy sell at mobile. Okay, so whenever you see a certain, like there is a big movement, at that time you need to make trade by clicking in the opposite direction. So like if this candle goes highly up, at that time I can make trade by clicking on higher. So like this kind of place, okay, you can make trade in the opposite direction. Now not all of your trades are going to go right, some of your trades can go wrong, that is another thing, but you need this kind of momentum, and this is the exact strategy that is working at this real time. Okay, and you can use it for your favor. Also you can make several strategies, no one is stopping you. Okay, you can make several theories and test it in your demo account and start to use it in your real account. So in once you have made a profit or loss in a single chart, then you stop trading in that chart and try to find out another entry point. So like if it moves suddenly up or suddenly down, at that time you can make trade in the opposite direction. So here you can see a movement was there. Okay, so that's why I made a trade in the opposite direction. But now let's see what happens in this trade. We made loss in this trade. These things keeps on happening. Okay, so now let's switch to another currency pair and try to find out if we can see that kind of momentum. So not a small movement, okay, a little bit big movement. Like, sorry, there you can see we have made a mistake. We could have made trade at here and easily been made profit, but still we have made profit in this trade. That is another thing. Okay, you can test this strategy exactly in your demo account, and if you think it is helpful for you, then please do like this video. Also, if you have any suggestion for me to like, you may have some strategy that is working for you and you want that strategy to be presented in the world, then you can comment below and I'll make sure to make the video for you. So let's find out another place where we can make the trade. We need to see the movement, a sudden spike. Okay, a sudden movement, we need to wait. Okay, not this kind of small movement, a little bit big movement, you know. So let's try to, so there was a moment, sorry, we again missed the place. Okay, we could have made trade from here. Okay, and we could have easily made profit, but still we have made profit. I hope the thing that I wanted to make you understand, you have understood. And now I want you to watch my another video where I have shown you another 5-second strategy where I was able to turn my $10 into $2,500. That video will appear anywhere at the screen. You can watch that video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.